Upper Class Day 12. We have been working on several small details for the last few days. Nothing new, but different goals with almost the same project. Adding words when she's doing the right thing. Like following my hands and sitting in front of, walk behind me, sitting beside me and laying down. It's more or less about following the treats and adding words when she's doing the right thing. We are also doing repetitions of short distance recalls and stepping into sit, not backing into sitting like she prefers. She's more or less learning to read my body language all the time. We are adding gripping a fuzzy paint roll, focusing on rewarding the gripping, as it's light and fun to play with, but easy to grip. The focus here is to active gripping instead of playing with the roll. I'm clicking when it is gripping. Then we're focusing on gripping a boring and less fun object, like a wooden dummy, rewarding the active choice to grip. Sometimes you need to help the dog by making this object fun or lifting it to be an obvious choice. Then we are rewarding the nose push and actively releasing and giving me the dummy. To make her motivated and give away something that we just a moment ago tried to make fun and interesting. First, I make it roll and fun, and then I want her to give it away. And now we're stepping it up slightly to something that she really would want to keep, like a dummy with a feather from a partridge. This one I don't have to make fun, it is interesting. We are rewarding her choice to go to me instead of keeping it, which is of course the natural choice. She wants to keep it. So, in the moment of retrieving, we are working with different objects to focus on several different goals, as active choices, gripping, lifting, pushing, delivery. Later on we will add where, when and what, directions, studying, positions, when delivering, and different games as well. The natural choice was obviously to keep the object, but she could be convinced to deliver as well.
Let's do a real one.
In total, we did 5 minutes of work this morning, and depending on her activity levels, We might do another session this afternoon. Made by Marcy for Canal Gold Flames.